Hey guys, Steve Welch here, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. I am in a beautiful Rav4 Prime here, but I wanted to bring you guys something that a lot of times people ask, and a lot of times you can't see. But on the left side of the dash, you have a bunch of buttons. Now, on a lot of cars, there are certain ones of those that are empty. On this particular Rav4 Prime, every notch is full. I'm going to show you what every notch does, what the button's for, and show you how it looks completely filled up. All right, so here we go. So what you're going to see is, like I said, every notch is full here. So what I'm going to show you, this right here, you're going to notice out of most of them, that is for the brightness on your dash. That button right there is for your automatic high beams, to turn those, to arm those or to disarm them. The next one over, that is for your heated windshield wipers. You have an element on the bottom of the windshield wipers that will heat it so that you can help to get some ice off of it and free it from the windshield. If you have some ice on there, it's not meant to clear your whole windshield. It's meant to free your wipers. The next one, this is your view. If you hit that, you'll see up here, and it's going to show you your bird's eye view, which goes all the way around the vehicle, and then we'll come back around top, and it has a couple different views that you can look at, but that is your bird's eye view, looking over the vehicle, and then you can, kind of get a different view of it right there, right, as part of your bird's eye view. So that's what that button is for, right? So we'll come back down over here. Next button is your heated steering wheel, right? Next button, that is your power port. So this one actually has an extra plug, a 120 volt plug that enables the power to that plug, right? So the last one is one you'll find on most Rav4s, but not all. That is your power up and power down back door. So a Rav4 that has every power or every accessory filled up in the Rav4. So in case you're wondering which one you might be missing, no, it is not an ejection seat, contrary to what I've seen a few people put out where it says ejecto when you hit the button. It's not that, but it's those. So definitely let me know if you guys have any questions. But Steve Welch, Beeman Toyota in Nashville. Definitely like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, of course, and look forward to taking care of you guys later. And like I said, like, subscribe. Appreciate you guys. Have a great one.